How to take an internal bath. An internal bath cleanses the colon and rids the body of toxins. By learning how to take an internal bath, you can reap the health benefits of this alternative healing modality and help keep your body's toxicity levels at a minimum. Also known as colon cleansing or detoxification, internal baths additionally help the body expel undigested food and waste products that sit in the colon. Before starting the video, subscribe our channel by clicking on the subscribe button, and press the bell icon to get better updates. Step 1. Determine what type of internal bath cleanse best suits your needs. You can choose from a standard detoxification cleanse, which utilizes baking soda and sea salt, or an herbal one, which typically entails the usage of such ingredients as coffee. Coffee is known for its laxative properties, and when used in an internal bath, offers an ideal alternative to the bacon, soda, sea salt option. Step 2. Gather the necessary materials. You will need an enema kit to conduct your cleanse. This is an essential component of learning how to take an internal bath. Enema bags, hoses, and nozzles are available in a variety of price ranges and quality levels. Find one that best matches the goals of your cleanse. For instance, if you plan on taking an internal bath regularly, you may want to invest in a higher quality enema kit than if you were planning on conducting the cleanse once or twice or to treat an intermittent health problem. Step 3. Mix the ingredients of your cleanse. The recipe for a standard cleanse is 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon sea salt, and 4 cups 32 ounces water. Make sure the water is warm, as this will create the most comfortable internal bath. If you're opting for a more alternative option, follow your recipe carefully, and again, be sure the water is lukewarm and comfortable in temperature. Step 4. Fill the enema bag with the cleansing concoction and insert into your colon. This can best be achieved by bending over and sliding the nozzle of the enema bag into your rectum. Gently apply pressure to the bag so the cleansing mixture flows slowly and smoothly into your body. When the bag is empty or you feel full, remove it and set it aside. Step 5. Massage your belly and move gently back and forth from the bent over position. This will help the cleansing ingredients properly disperse around the colon and bathe the entire area. Stay in the bent over position for a few minutes or until the need to expel the mixture is strong. After you release the contents, you can repeat this process as necessary. If you think this video is beneficial for human, click on like button, and share to others. Type comments of our community. Thanks a lot.